Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. Effective problem solving strategies. Introduction. Problems come in all shapes and sizes. So, by practicing different problem solving strategies, you can develop efficient solutions to challenges you may encounter at work and in your everyday life. When it comes to work, each business and career field has its own unique challenges, which means different strategies can be implemented to solve them. Finding effective solutions isn't always easy, but by using the right process and techniques, you can be more efficient in your tasks. If you want to learn some of the most effective problem solving strategies around, check out this entire video and be effective solving problems. What are problem solving strategies? Before trying to resolve any problem, it's good to understand what is problem solving strategy. It is a plan used to find a solution or overcome a challenge. They include steps to provide you with helpful guidelines to solve and identify an issue. Why is it important to understand multiple problem solving strategies? There is no one universal solution for all problems. Different problems usually need different approaches to find the best solution. Therefore, it's important to understand a variety of problem solving strategies. Then you can also more effectively select the right plan of action when faced with a challenge. Define the problem. The first step is to know which problem you need to solve. By doing that, you will be able to precisely identify it and then create a plan to resolve it. Breaking down different areas of a problem can help you recognize how extensive the challenge is. You will also understand what strategies to put in place for a solution. Draw a diagram of the problem. It might be easier to understand a complex problem if you can see it. Try drawing a picture or a diagram to help you illustrate the situation. For example, if you want to improve how quickly your team can develop and sell a product, illustrate the different steps of the process. This will help you identify potential areas of improvement. Visualize the problem. It can be challenging to assess the full scope of the problem, especially if you are closely involved. In these cases, try to visualize the problem by focusing on each individual element. Make a problem tree. A problem tree is a great visualization technique. First, brainstorm a list of problems and then organize them into a hierarchy. The hierarchy could be from most to least important. Once you have an organized list, then you are ready for the next problem solving steps. Break the problem into smaller pieces. It can be helpful to break down larger problems into smaller pieces or steps. This way, you can focus on resolving each smaller piece of problem individually, which may be more manageable. Identify what the requirements to solve these problems are. You can even ask yourself what are you trying to accomplish and what obstacles you need to overcome. Redefine the problem. If it seems like the problem might be unsolvable, consider redefining it. For example, you might work for a business that wants to develop certain products and needs additional resources for this. You can redefine the problem by asking why the business wants to develop this product in the first place. In this process, you might discover that your business wants to develop this product because there is high consumer demand for it. Instead, you may determine that it's more viable to choose another product that your business has the resources to produce. Collect and organize information about the problem. There might be a specific factor that causes a problem, which is reinforced over time. Collecting information about the problem and organizing it into a chart, table, or list can help you identify if there is any pattern. Work backwards. Working backwards can sometimes be the best way to solve a problem. You will basically want to undo the problem step by step, but starting at the end. This can be especially helpful if you need to recreate specific events to find the root cause of a problem. Use past experiences. Consider if you have encountered a similar situation to your current problem before. This can help you draw connections between different events. Think about how you approached the previous situation and how those solutions might help you now. Use the Kipling method. The Kipling method is a popular system used to define problems. Basically, it highlights 6 important questions that you ask when you need to overcome a challenge. These questions are: what is the problem? Why is the problem important? When did the problem arise? When does it need to be solved? How did the problem happen? Where is the problem occurring? And who does the problem affect? Generate potential solutions. The aim isn't to evaluate possible solutions, but rather to generate as many ideas as possible. Use creative thinking and be patient. The best solution isn't always the first or most obvious one. Bring in a facilitator. Trying to solve a complex problem with a group of other people can be a bit tricky. In this case, bringing in a facilitator can help increase your efficiency and mediate discussions. An impartial third party can help your group stay on task, document the process, and have productive conversations. In the end, it will help you generate better solutions. Consider the trial and error approach. If there are multiple solutions to your problem and you are trying to find the best one, using the trial and error approach may help. Make a list of several potential solutions and try them one by one. Brainstorming. In fact, the more people you enlist to help solve the problem, the more potential solutions you will have. A brainstorming session will likely bring about something you haven't thought about before. Develop a decision matrix for evaluation. If you have multiple solutions for a problem, you may need to determine which one is the best. A decision matrix is a great way to help you rank potential solutions. Some factors you can analyze when ranking each potential solutions are timelessness, risk, manageability, expense, practicality, and effectiveness. Then rank each potential solution by assigning your weightage value of 0 to 10 in each of these areas. Ask for help. Asking people for their opinions can expose you to new perspectives and unique solutions. Friends, families, or colleagues have different experiences, ideas, and skills that can be helpful. Stepping away from the problem. If the problem doesn't need an immediate solution, consider stepping away from it for a short period of time. Clear your mind until you are ready to approach it again. Taking time to rest, exercise, and prioritize self care can make problem solving easier when you come back. You will feel more energized and focused. By using the right process and techniques, you can be more efficient in your problem solving. I hope you enjoyed this video and the information was useful to you. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such videos at Profound Insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching the stars. Thank you.